Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Now if you guys have problems with your instrument cluster, guys, on a Porsche Cayenne third generation, okay, I'm talking years 2000, okay, 2002 to 2010. We'll show you guys where to find the fuse for that instrument cluster now. You have actually two fuses, stay with us now. We have guys video about replacement programming and all that stuff coming very soon, so please subscribe. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, guys. Our mission to save you as much money, guys, as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So this is the Porsche Cayenne here. All the electrical videos will be made on this channel, mechanical videos will be made on our two main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair, guys. Please guys, give a subscribe. Now, for the instrument cluster, let me show you now. Okay, this is your instrument cluster right here. When you open your door under this cover, okay, you're going to find fuses with a plastic panel removal tool like that. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. Open that cover. Once you open the cover, you see you have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5 clips. You have the fuse numbers printed on the back side. We need to find fuse number 40. Okay, this one will be the third fuse in the bottom row right here. One is missing. 1, 2, 3, guys. Okay, this fuse right here, 5M fuse. So all we have to do, okay, replace this one also. You have another fuse, guys. You have fuse number 26. Okay, this one here. So you can see number 26 and number 40 right here. So check those, guys, if they're good. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Looking for the information, please give a thumb up.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.